Hello there and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm doing a little bit of wiring, I'm doing a little bit of a conversion job on my Lambretta, putting all my instruments onto DC and remaining the lights on AC, on a vape ignition. So we're going to be using some different parts and some wiring and, well, follow me, we'll see how we get on. Right, we've got a few parts lined up. I've got me a nice little mini battery which we're going to use. Very small, it's only, let me see, yes, it's 1.3 amp hours. So it's quite a small battery, 12 volts, but that's all we need to supply our instrumentation. We don't need a big battery. But I do have a vape rectifier, DC one, but I've tried wiring these in before and you only get DC power. You can't get no AC and DC at the same time. So trying to run these and everything on your bike just on DC, you end up with a flat battery all the time. You've got to have a big battery or something. These just don't charge the battery correctly, so I'm binning it. And I'm going to the BGM one, which I've used before on this vape, on the vape ignition, and they work perfectly. You can have DC and AC at the same time coming out of these. So you've got an AC supply coming out and a DC supply coming out. Way better. This does the trick for what we want because it'll charge this diddly little battery, no problem at all. So I've got an inline fuse and I've also got this to wire in, which is my air fuel ratio sensor. So that's also got to be wired in, and I'll just show you my display now that's already done. So this is what we're going to be wiring in. I'll just show you now. We've got a cylinder head temperature gauge here that I'm wiring in. I've got my air fuel ratio meter, and it's also got a battery meter on there as well, which is quite handy. And I'm going to wire in my SIP speedo all onto the battery, and here I've got a little switch fitted so I can turn the battery system on and off. Right, let's explain what we've done here. We've fitted the BGM rectifier regulator there. We've got positive coming out, going through a fuse to the battery. We've also got a cable connected to the black wire here that's already fed up through my chassis going up to the headset to supply power up to the headset. We've also made a connection to the purple wire here, and that feeds our SIP speedo. So we've got now an AC in and out, an earth and a DC supply to power the battery, and an earth to the chassis. So you could have seen me doing all of this, but something happened to my memory card and all the video footage disappeared. So I've just lost about an hour's worth of footage. So anyway, that's gone. Right, I'll quickly point out what we've done here. These are the earths from the display units over there. So I've soldered the two earths together. The positive wires are here and they've all been put together, soldered and fitted into a bullet connector so it connects up to the purple wire. So that will then send power down through the purple wire and supply power to our SIP speedo. Right, this wire is coming back from our switch unit, which switches our power on and off. This is our main supply up from the battery. So this connects to the black wire that I've got fed up through the frame, but it seems to have fallen down through the headset over time, so it's not there anymore. So we're going to have to take the horn casting off and fish it out and see where it is. Absolutely brilliant. ACF 50, what a product. It protects your bike winter and summer on all your mechanical parts. Go out, buy it, it's the best on the market. Right, found the wire in behind, fed it up, now it's here. So the horn casting going to go back on now. I was planning to do a DC on the horn, but I haven't got a DC horn yet. This AC horn is no good, so it'll have to stay as AC at the moment on the horn. Eventually I want to change that to a DC horn. It's far better. Right, I'm just going to tin this up a little bit, this connection, because these wires are very thin. So I've doubled it back and I'm going to run some solder into it. Right, I'll put some connections on now. And then, hopefully, we can give it a little test and see if all the little gizmos turn on. Ooh, they've already turned on. Right. The switch is already in the on position. So I'll just get this right.